Welcome, warriors of the willow and guardians of the pitch. As we come together, let us focus our energies on fortifying the strength, skill, and unity of our beloved India national cricket team. Inhale deeply, drawing in the energy of centuries of passion for this magnificent sport. Exhale, releasing any fears or doubts that cloud our vision. By the divine will and the spirit of cricket that has nourished this nation, we claim victory, both on and off the field. Feel the grip of the bat, the toss of the ball, and the cheers of millions. Unified, we stand as pillars of sporting excellence and ambassadors of our country's pride. We embrace the wisdom and strategy required, honoring each member's role, as crucial as the thread in a finely woven tapestry. Visualize the tricolor soaring high, reflecting our collective dream. As we lift the trophy, be it World Cup or any prestigious competition, we are the epitome of dedication, perseverance, and skill. Craftsmen in a theater where every run scored and wicket taken is a brushstroke on a canvas of legends. The energies of our ancestors, our fans, and our well-wishers coalesce to form an impenetrable shield of courage and resilience around us. Each practice, each game, each moment is a stepping stone to engraving our names in the annals of history. As we close this affirmation, remember, the essence of this prayer is not just for a single match, but for a legacy that will inspire generations. For the days to come, let us revisit this affirmation, nourishing our spirit, sharpening our focus, and galvanizing our resolve. May the gods of cricket and the divine energies of this land guide us, protect us, and empower us to achieve glory. Thank you for joining me today. United in spirit and in sport, may we continue to strive for excellence and make our nation proud.